me a moment, let me find the right key because it's a tough part to sing. अजनबी से हुए हैं क्यों पल सारे, जहां लोगों के शो खत्म होते हैं हमारा वहां शुरू होना. Problem now is that people have stopped treating music as a storytelling tool in the film business and they've started treating it as a promotional tool. Because आपका ad किसी को नहीं सुनना, हमको गाना सुनाओ. कोई भी बोले ना, it's not about the money, I'm doing it for love. I always say this, music is far bigger than that. There was in 2010-11 a battle in the film industry. Javed Akhtar Saab put his career on the line and himself on the line to make this happen for musicians and lyricists, and we are eternally grateful.
You saw in the light of all this the Cockroach Janata Party, obviously.
Social media following does not translate to real life. I'm done being part of revolutions. But as a citizen, I feel that my government should take responsibility, should apologize to the families, should apologize to the students. In more decent times, the education minister should resign. I'm glad this is the Unrushed podcast.
Hi, welcome to the Unrush podcast, Vishal. It is so nice to have you. But मुझे आपको interview करना ही नहीं actually. What I'm looking forward to is just a music crash course because this goes genuinely when I was in college, right, is when we would listen to Pentagram. Mood Indigo used to be huge. There was Creed. There was Crowded House. I don't think anyone once listened to Crowded House.
Crowded House?
Yeah.
Crowded House is a massive band, yo. What do you mean?
Everywhere you go.
Yeah,
you
of course.
always
But
take
why
the
specifically
weather
Crowded
with
House?
you. I don't know. I'm just trying to, going back nostalgia lane, those are the things that come to mind. I mean, people still talk about Linkin Park and Metallica, but people don't talk about this. Like, I haven't come across too many people who listen to like a Crowded House, for instance.
People listen to what they listen to. The one thing I've found is that good music sticks around. That all music is concurrent. Like when new music arrives, it doesn't erase or cause the fading out of earlier music. If it was good, it sticks around. People remember what they love and pass it on. So music is a beautifully generational thing. So I mean, I'm sure there are people out there listening to Crowd.
Yeah, I'm sure they are. Abhi, what is coming back to a lot of people is your Nusrat Saab and everybody, and people, the Gen Z hasn't heard. Like, ek bar I played Nusrat in the car or something.
It's not fair to say Gen Z hasn't heard. They're just coming into their own.
Correct.
They're only finding their own
नहीं
music
सुना
now.
था तब.
वो तो अभी ढूंढ रहे हैं उनका music.
हाँ, अब वो ढूंढ रहे हैं, and तब उन्होंने नहीं सुना. So it's good that it's coming back, is what I'm saying. So now they are rediscovering
It never
in
went
different-
anywhere. No, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It was always there. Now these guys are finding it and listening to it.
Correct.
So I remember having this conversation with a musical legend who I won't name because I was stupid enough to be rude at the time, and I wish I hadn't been. But it was आजकल का ये, आजकल का वो, आजकल का ये, and I said you know, जो लोग आजकल बोलते हैं ना, वो अक्सर आज जो है वो निकल जाता है आगे और वो कल में ही रह जाते हैं. It caused a little friction.
Right. Yeah, we can.
But it's true. I
It
mean,
is true.
There's no difference between aaj and kal and aane wala kal and beeta kal. It's all good music is good music. Just yesterday or day before yesterday, when was I shooting Idol? I don't remember. But on the set, you know, there were songs that S.D. Burman has made. In 2026, those would break the bank. They are, you know, they are that modern and that, like, the attitude is so today. Music is the one thing that transcends time. Music, I always say this, music is far bigger than time.
Right. You're born in Bandra, right? You're a
No,
Bandra boy.
I was born in Pedder Road, actually.
I was going to say Bandra boy with a sober vibe, but now it makes
No,
sense.
no,
You're a sober boy with a sober
South
vibe. So
Bombay,
that's
born
fine.
and brought up, but I left that behind a long time ago.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Why do you say it like it's a good thing?
I'll tell you why it's a good thing. Because why would you be limited to a locality?
Yeah.
ये पूरा देश मेरा है, पूरा दुनिया मेरी है. You know, when I grew up, I could barely speak Hindi. I was one of those kids. अब मैं हिंदी अच्छी बोलता हूँ. मैं, you know, I think I take great pride in that. मैं मराठी बोलता हूँ. मैं देश भर में घूमता हूँ, दुनिया भर में घूमता हूँ. I do tours and concerts everywhere. All people are my people. And I live in a world of love that is far beyond merely South Bombay. Let's put it that way.
That's nice. That's a great way of, because a lot of people still own it like that, right? You said Marathi. I heard your Marathi song very recently. I heard it
I've
recently.
done, Shekhar and I have done Marathi films. We have done several Marathi songs.
New wala I heard, Tarat or something.
Yeah.
Heard
For
that
some
one
reason,
before.
they keep coming to me with songs about people getting drunk. मैं दारू नहीं पीता,
आप वेजिटेरियन भी हो?
बट मैं मस्त नकल करता हूँ पिए हुए लोगों की. मैं वेजिटेरियन भी हूँ जी.
कैसे? क्यों?
कैसे? क्यों?
क्योंकि like you rightly said, I'm sorry, but
no,
people
you are-
look and then judge. रॉक स्टार है ये तो,
ये
मतलब
तो ड्रग्स करता होगा.
हाँ, मतलब
मैं ड्रग्स भी नहीं
सेक्स,
करता.
ड्रग्स, रॉक एंड रोल वाली लाइफ तो कोई इमेजिन नहीं करेगा.
नहीं करता मैं. बाकी सब ठीक है.
बाकी दोनों चीजें ठीक है. But no, tell us about that. Were you always vegetarian? Because
No.
Sindhi hardcore Sindhi कहाँ से?
I turned vegetarian 30 years ago. When I was 19 or so, because मैं उस वक्त 3 meals a day I used to only eat meat. और मुझे किसी भी चीज का मुझ पे काबू हो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. I don't like being, so I gave up smoking for the same reason. I got annoyed with myself. I was smoking 40 cigarettes a day, and I put them down and I said I'm not smoking again. That's it.
And you didn't?
No.
How do you go from 40 to 0? It's
Because
impossible.
I'm the boss of it.
I like that.
Neither the meat eating nor the smoking is, it has to become a point of ego. If you want to quit something, you have to be bigger than that thing. आपको उस चीज को बताना होगा कि बॉस कौन है.
That's a great one. Use करना चाहिए for breaking a lot of bad habits that I have.
It works like a
people have.
charm for me. I mean, it works for habits, it works for people, it works for everything.
Were you always sure of yourself even growing up as a youngster?
I'm
or
not
did you
sure
find
of myself
yourself
at
later?
all.
No?
Not at all. to
Come
this
across
day.
as somebody who's very sure of himself.
Kush was also saying that. That's bizarre. I don't know.
You give off that vibe कि आपको तो सब पता है.
Fake it till you make it, baby.
But
मुझे कुछ
इतने
भी नहीं
साल
पता.
से थोड़ी फेक कर रहे हो.
नहीं, the one thing I'm sure of, I'll tell you, the one thing I'm genuinely sure of is मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. कुछ नहीं. I will learn happily. मैं किसी से भी सीख लूंगा. Whatever you have to give me, I will happily take and I will happily absorb, and that's my bank. And I have no need to say कि मैं ज्ञानी हूँ या मुझे ये आता है या वो आता है या I don't know. I'm a student of everything. I know all about anything, and I will happily accept your intellectual superiority if you can actually give me something of value.
Right. Off late ऐसे कौन सी interaction हुई that's left like a mark on your?
अभी मेरी बात हो रही थी आपके एक बंदा है कुश.
guest relations,
वो
yes.
मुझसे बात कर रहा था about his tone of voice. और मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि एक शख्स अपने जिंदगी में जिस तरह अपने वॉइस को यूज करता है, क्योंकि वो on your website or in the course of doing what he does here, he communicates with a lot of people. And he was saying, you know, my voice and the way I talk to them affects that. And I'm like, yeah, this is so interesting. It's so interesting that as a non-musician, as a non-vocal artist, वो अपने वॉइस के बारे में सोच रहा है. You know, अपने vocal culture के बारे में, how he project. I was like, it's really interesting to see young people being so self-aware and, you know, most people don't think about their voice. They just जो है वो है. He's thinking about how it communicates with people, how it affects people, how it affects how they see him, which is so true, you know. Sometimes even I don't realize that.
Yeah.
So he gave me something to think about.
That's interesting. Yeah, I really like I'm not, before you go off on me again, I'm not saying कि young or old अलग है, but I do envy the youngsters, the Gen Z, like they call them, is because they can really speak their mind. वो मैंने उनसे सीखा है कि the way they set boundaries.
मुझसे सीखा है.
नहीं, मुझसे तो नहीं. We were taught ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, इसको मत बोलो, मुंह बंद रखो, better if you don't speak. So to see them break boundaries, it gives me so much confidence. Just yesterday, I was telling somebody, I was wearing something, it was a deep cut sort of a thing.
Like this?
इससे भी deep था. I said, but I can wear this because you youngsters are so forgiving. Like, y'all are not staring, y'all are not judging, y'all are not commenting. कौन judge करता है? Millennials ही आके हमको जो बोलकर जाते हैं, बोलकर जाते हैं.
खूसट, बूढ़े खूसट.
हाँ, these
no
people
offense,
are
millennials.
so forgiving. These guys
Actually,
don't care.
wait,
You do you.
One sec. I'm 1973. That would make me what? Gen X.
हाँ, boomer हो आप तो.
Boomer नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं?
Boomer तो
और पहले?
My dad was a
Gen
boomer.
X हो गए. हाँ. Then yes, then you're not millennial.
तो millennials
I'm
भी
millennial.
हैं और Gen X भी हैं.
Beep.
We are the
beep.
cool ones.
That is true.
Wait, no, I am Gen X. Sorry, whatever.
हम कूल हैं, हम ही कूल हैं. बट आप मुझे बताओ, आप इतने टाइम से बैठे हो, आपकी आवाज ही नहीं सुनी. ऐसे आई नो यू डोंट सिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. आवाज इन द सेंस गाने वाली आवाज. आई विल सिंग विथ यू. विल क्लैप अलोंग एंड सिंग.
Oh my God, that's horrifying.
Oh, that's worse.
It's like a
At
nightmare.
least you can put it on me. क्योंकि ये गंदा गा रही हूँ.
हाँ, ये कर सकते हैं. Very good. Pick a song.
मेरे दिमाग में बहुत ऐसा गाना बजा, बट इट्स योर सॉन्ग, सो यू कैन जज
बोल तो दो.
ऊंची वाली हील पहन के डांस
actually-
बसंती.
it's actually-
मुझे बहुत पसंद. आई सॉ यू एंड दैट्स इट प्लेड इन माय हेड, द ट्रैक.
That song played in your head.
That song.
Dance
Abhi,
Basanti.
You can't judge somebody for liking a song.
No,
This is not
I
true.
love the song.
हाँ,
Please don't
then.
get me wrong. But it's first of all, it's Sachin Jigar's song and Amitabh Bhattacharya.
गाया है ना आपने?
हाँ, गाया.
हाँ, तो
But
गाने.
उनके लिए गाया. But I'm happy to sing it for you.
Yeah, the song
lyrics
was
याद
sung
करना.
well because dance basanti is what you do. So मुझे वो बहुत पसंद है.
ओ गोरी तेरा झुमका बड़ा फंकी फंकी टाइप दा. ओ गोरी तेरा ठुमका बड़ा हैंकी पंकी टाइप दा. किसी हिट गाने पे जो कमर मटका देगी तू, फटीचर से ये दिल बन जाएगा शहजादा. ऊंची वाली हील पहन के डांस बसंती.
Dance basanti.
इतना खुश क्यों हो रहा है भाई?
अरे अब बिल्कुल भाई वाइब कर रहा है.
एपिक. हर लिमिट की हाइट पे चढ़ के डांस बसंती. थैंक यू सचिन जिगर. इट्स अ फन ट्रैक.
नहीं, बहुत बहुत अच्छा गाया आपने वो सॉन्ग, इससे वो मेरे
मैं हर
सिर
सॉन्ग
में
अच्छा ही
बज गया.
गाता हूँ. क्या कहना
That is
चाह रही हैं
true.
आप?
नहीं गाते तो
कहना क्या चाह रही हैं आप?
नहीं आप
सामने
अच्छा ही
आइए.
गाते हो. ऐसे उठो ना थोड़ा. नहीं, but that
It's too early in the morning. In the evening I would have done it.
I have told people it should be illegal to come to work before 12. My
I
boss
slept
is
at
sitting
5.
there only.
ठीक है. So
उसकी बात नहीं है. आई जस्ट थिंक कि 12 से पहले काम शुरू नहीं होना चाहिए, इज व्हाट आई ट्रूली बिलीव इन. बट बिकॉज वी वर डूइंग दीज ड्रामेटिक्स, टेल मी अबाउट इंडियन आइडल. हाउ डिड दैट हैपन? आप कैसे, मतलब आई हैव सीन यू पेंटाग्राम, राइट? सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम
What's the
दैट
difference?
टू दैट. दिमाग में होता है इंसान
नहीं,
की.
आप
आप
मुझे-
मेरे जजमेंट्स
आपको
तोड़
क्या
रहे हो
फर्क
यार.
लैंग्वेज के अलावा और गाली गलौज नहीं है इंडियन आइडल में, उसके अलावा क्या दिख रहा है आपको फर्क?
आई जस्ट थॉट दे वर टू वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
इन व्हाट वे? इट्स समवन सिंगिंग एंड मी गिविंग माय ओपिनियन ऑफ दैट. ये तो मैं पूरी जिंदगी करता आया हूँ. Whether it be with Pentagram or whether it be with Vishal and Shekhar, hearing singers in the studio, when someone sings well, I'm fully like jumping out of my seat in real life.
Yeah.
And when someone sings badly, I'm like fully pulled toot gaye in real life. That is the truth. अभी मैं क्या करूँ?
क्या कर सकते हो? Tell me about the playlist. I was seeing the playlist.
That is
very
cool.
interesting.
Now that I'm excited
वो मुझे
about.
बहुत अच्छा लगा that you're doing something like this, giving back, and you know, it's nice. Tell me
I'm
more.
not giving back. I'm taking.
चलो ठीक है.
ऐसा altruistic नहीं है कुछ भी लाइफ में. कोई भी मतलब कोई भी बोले ना, it's not about the money. I'm doing it for love. You have to make it work. It has to work for everyone. Everyone has to succeed together. Then you're doing something worthwhile. मतलब कोई भी ये सोशल कार्य नहीं कर रहा है इधर. ठीक है. The truth of the matter is it's an incredible thing. Basically one day, I kid you not, अगर आप इस साल का इंडियन आइडल देखें तो एक ऐसा टाइम था 1.5 महीने में नहीं आया. 1.5 महीने में शूट पे गया ही नहीं. ठीक है. I couldn't bear the thought at that point in time of young people only singing cover versions of songs.
Yeah.
जो गाने उन्होंने सुने हैं उन्हीं को गाए जा रहे हैं. तो मेरा ये था कि यार, as someone who has made a career out of making original music, इन सबके पास ओरिजिनल म्यूजिक होगा. इन सबने वही सपने देखे होंगे जो हमने देखे थे. तो we need to find a space for them. And what Indian Idol does is great.
Yeah.
It makes them famous. It gives them a step. Their
It's a
first
platform
हाँ, मतलब
of sorts too.
In their journey, it's their first step, which is fantastic. What we want to do with the playlist is we want to be the rest of that journey. The playlist is एक game show माहौल है. It's very entertaining, very fun. But essentially, new artists with new original music are the whole point of it. It exists to create a path for them. Around the game show, which is the playlist, we have also created a full-fledged record label, full-fledged management for all these artists.
Nice.
We are giving them, offering them, if they want to take it, देखा ऐसा सर पे बंदूक किसी के नहीं है. We are giving them a better deal than anyone in the record label, in the record industry does. Basically, they co-own their music from day one. ऐसा नहीं है कि and
दे दिया label.
there's a thing that every musician has a problem with in the music business, and that is recoupment. कि मतलब मैं आप पे जितना खर्चा करूंगा पहले मैं अपना निकालूंगा फिर
निकालूंगा
आप
खर्चा,
अपना.
yes.
हमारा रिकूपमेंट पार्टनरशिप में है. Like everything else, publishing is in partnership. The money being recouped, I will recoup we together will recoup.
Got it.
You understand?
Yeah.
So from my
So you're
share
partners
also,
from day one,
we're partners,
basically.
equal partners from day one, which nobody has
Nobody
ever done
does.
for any artist.
Yeah.
I think it's important that get done, but that's a secondary thing. The most important thing is the discovery of new artists. Putting an audience in the room, a new audience who's not seen. अब जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि मैं कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ी बहुत ऑडियंस आ जाती है और थोड़े बहुत आर्टिस्ट आ जाते हैं, थोड़ी बहुत क्रेडिबिलिटी इंडिपेंडेंट साइड पर भी है मेरी, और यहाँ सो पीपल शो अप एंड आई एम able to be the bridge between the two. I can't think of a more precious thing to do. And if it benefits the artist and it benefits the audience, they receive and find music in a non-algorithmic way. कि आपको Instagram या Spotify या YouTube ने नहीं बताया कि आपको क्या सुनना है. आप वहाँ गए थे, आपने पहली दफ़ा आर्टिस्ट को देखा, सुना, एक्सपीरियंस किया, and you fell in love the way it used to be, the way when it was real. You know, nobody's paying for that. Nobody's paying for you're in the room, you're hearing the artist, and from there the artist explodes. That's the hope.
Yeah.
You know,
That's fantastic. We also do this. I'm sure you don't know about this.
I do not.
We have something called the All India Mehfil, and that started as a passion project because I love music. So same way I said, sab cover gaate rehte, kya maza aata hai. Let's discover artists, and so what we are doing is we make music videos for them.
Yeah.
So we put in the entire production just to give them a platform on HOV ki aap aao, inko dekho. Original songs. We just recently did a 17-year-old girl, Inayat, from Delhi.
I know Inayat Kaur.
Yeah, we covered her. We did her song Chalawa. We gave her a whole thing. So she's been promoting. She's been using those to promote herself, makeup, and the whole shebang.
Yeah,
and
she's
so happy.
on it, that kid. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good for her.
She's very good with that. Tell me now a little bit about, you said something very interesting, discovery of talent. आपको ऐसे लगता है कोई जगह पे concentrated है in the sense, like Rajasthan has a certain kind of voice. The North, Punjab has a certain kind of different texture voice का, South में अलग है. Do you see some cities or some places being more rich in music than others, or is it everywhere in India?
Opportunities में रिच पुअर हो सकता है, बट म्यूजिक इंडिया में तो हर जगह है. म्यूजिक है हर जगह, कल्चर है हर जगह, राइटिंग है हर जगह. ऐसी कोई जगह, इट्स लाइक I don't know whether it's because I've only ever lived in India my whole life. मुझे नहीं पता कि हर देश में ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, बट यहाँ पे जो है we have what you would literally call a profusion. हर स्टेट की भाषा अलग, म्यूजिक अलग, खाना अलग, रंग मतलब तौर तरीके सब कुछ अलग, and everything is magical. Like it's crazy. मतलब the amount, the depth of culture. All styles, whether it be, मतलब आप art ही देख लीजिए. If you take art as an example, as a pictorial example, every state has its
Has a
own
different-
definitive art form.
Yes.
It's crazy what we have.
Tell me some of the new indie artists that you like, don't
I can't.
like.
I'll tell you why I can't tell you, because इस playlist के लिए 2500 entries आई हैं. तो वो 2500 एंट्रीज के सुनने के चक्कर में मेरी धज्जियां उड़ चुकी हैं. सितंबर तक पुश करना पड़ा बिकॉज इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट हैं और इतने लाइक जेन्युइनली सच इनक्रेडिबल म्यूजिक. सो आई वांट टू बी फेयर एंड लिसन टू ऑल ऑफ देम केयरफुली. इन बीइंग फेयर आल्सो आई कांट रियली नेम, बट देयर आर सम दैट आई फाउंड व्हिच it's unreal. I mean, some of the ones that we found in the Bombay में हमने ट्रायल शो किया था इसका, which was the precursor to the playlist. The format was being sort of tried out.
Correct.
We were actually trying things.
Correct.
So artists came and participated, and we found some absolute gems. Like there's a guy called Rais Khan from Kashmir. Yeah, we found him during the trial show. There's another one, girl from Tamil Nadu. I forget her name. क्या यार, बुढ़ापा is real. I can hear the song in my head.
Yeah, I know.
But I can't remember.
I understand. So these people up and coming, we will see you do things with them, for
Yes.
them. We'll see them out there.
Yep.
Tell me something. Growing up, what were your music influences and from where?
South Bombay, born and brought up. मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स की म्यूजिक थी जो थी. My dad was very very fond of music, and like there was no, for me fortunately I'm very 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 deeply grateful, कभी मुझे genre के बारे में बताया ही नहीं. that this is rock music and this is disco and that is ghazal and this is Bollywood. ऐसा कभी था ही नहीं. You like what you like. So we had a record player और बहुत सारे records थे और रोज निकाल के सुनते थे और अलग अलग, चाहे वो whether it was Led Zeppelin or it was हम किसी से कम नहीं or it was जगजीत साहब or गुलाम अली खान साहब or it was different every day and mood के हिसाब से. I mean literally we were listening to everything and all music became my music for that reason. And of course आपके जब तक पेरेंट्स का म्यूजिक होता है ना तब तक पेरेंट्स का म्यूजिक होता है, लेकिन जब आप अपना म्यूजिक पहली दफा डिस्कवर करते हो तब आप जब when there's a separation then you find your own identity musically.
Correct. It becomes your
With
expression.
me that happened with Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, I remember उन दिनों हमारे पास म्यूजिक यहाँ पे आता नहीं था उतना, देर से आता था, कभी 2 साल बाद या 3 साल बाद या ऐसा. तो बीच बीच में कभी कभी दूरदर्शन पे टेलीकास्ट होता था समथिंग कॉल्ड, इट वाज कॉल्ड आइदर हॉट ट्रैक्स वाज द नेम. हॉट ट्रैक्स में ग्रैमी अवार्ड्स पे शोज होते थे जब वो होते थे. एंड आई रिमेंबर इन आई थिंक 84, सो आई वाज 11, माइकल जैक्सन वन एवरीथिंग एंड आई हर्ड बीट इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. और मुझे ये भी पता नहीं था उस वक्त कि मैं उस पे you know that Eddie Van Halen is playing a solo on it.
Yeah.
But I heard that and I was like, what is this? And I didn't know what a riff is. I didn't know what any of that stuff is at that point in time. But I remember how my brain broke, you know. I was like, ye kya hai? I need this in my life. And then saw the visual and Michael Jackson doing that whole thing and then Billie Jean and the whole Thriller album became like a cultural sort of watershed moment for all of us. And I that's what really gave me my own music. And then after that I started to find more and more जो भी मिलता था. मतलब एक हमारे घर के पास में ऑन पेडर रोड itself there was a small record store. कैसेट्स भेजते थे उन दिनों. I'd go and it'll be like नया क्या है और उस नए के चक्कर में sometimes you'd find amazing things. Like I remember finding the Scorpions Rock You Like a Hurricane.
Oh, yeah.
There was a live at something. I didn't know what
you
rock
didn't know
music
these
was.
arenas and they're
I just
playing
heard it without any preconceived notions. I just heard it and I was like, my brain broke. Then a new neighbor moved into the building who introduced me to both more modern rock like Def Leppard and also classic rock like Chuck Berry and the Doors. And you know I got into that stuff through him and it just kept going. And you know, so yeah. And then of course Shekhar has been such a formative musical influence in my life.
Yeah, that was my next question as to how and when you met them, met him. But so your parents were over the moon then that बेटा म्यूजिक में जा रहा है.
नहीं, म्यूजिक में जाने की कोई बात ही नहीं थी.
बस हो गया.
सुन रहा है, मजा आ रहा है उसको, जैसे हमको आता है उसको भी आ रहा है, बढ़िया है. It was not the I think their hope was always that I would get into the family business. So there was a time where I got called in to play in a band etc etc. फिर वो जब show हुआ and I got off that stage and the blood was pumping in my veins the way I had never felt before.
The performance high
I had
is
never
different.
felt that feeling before. I came home from there, I went to my dad and I said, Dad, I think this is who I am. This is what I want to do. Exact words. And he said, really? Are you any good? I said, I think so. And he said, okay, go for it. Now, I don't know whether he was thinking कि 4-6 महीना करेगा फिर थक जाएगा.
आ जाएगा वापस.
6 months later, we were in the paper. So he was my mom and dad were our biggest supporters. You know, once it starts to move, then it just starts to move. And I mean, thankfully, I had that support, and I still do.
That's amazing. Now to my next question: how did you meet Shekhar? How did that?
So in the course
start
of this
happening?
same thing, basically that band that I got called in to play guitar in, I couldn't play guitar. I still can't play guitar. I'm not a guitar player by any. I can play enough to write a song. That's it. I got called in to play, and I went into that room. There were 5 or 6 people there. And Shekhar was playing keys in that band. That's how we met. So I guess so. Shiraz was the guy playing drums in that band, who was my Pentagram's drummer, and Shekhar was playing keys in that band, who's Vishal and Shekhar. So basically, my entire music career started from that day. I met both these guys at the same time. So Pentagram went in one direction. Vishal and Shekhar eventually,
Went
5
in,
years
yeah.
later, showed up. But all because I was in that room that day. Yeah, it's magical sometimes.
Yeah. So you believe in serendipity in that sense.
Believe matlab kya hai?
होती
It was
है.
serendipitous. I didn't go there expecting or hoping for serendipity, but certainly a landmark day in my life.
Yeah. Are you a God believer? Do you believe in God? Do you believe in spirituality? Do you believe in manifestation? Any of this?
Nope,
None
none,
whatsoever.
zero.
So the life, because most people think that successful people have manifested this life because they visualize it, thought about it. There has to be some
But
method.
that's not spiritual. You just have a dream and you see the dream vividly. Badshah and I were talking about this, and we were actually talking about like sitting down with these kids and telling them, ये जो सपने आप देखते हो ना थोड़ा जोर से देखो. It's
जोर
not
से देखो. I like this
manifestation.
line.
But you know what I'm saying? It's literally that. Like, don't hold back. That's your dream. See it vividly. I remember a daydream that I had when I must have just found Michael Jackson or whatever, 11-12 साल का होगा, and I saw myself on stage performing music. The entire career is born from that.
Yeah, that is.
Just from that dream, and to this day I can see the dream in front of me. And I'm fortunate that I had the ability or the opportunity to translate that.
Yeah.
But it's like they say, luck is being ready when opportunity arrives, right? So
Very nice, yeah. To me, that is manifestation 101. What you said, you could see yourself.
yeah, but I don't believe in like the universe
Yeah, of course.
aligned and big yin and yang symbol appeared in the ऐसा नहीं है कुछ भी.
But कुछ तो luck fate.
अरे सोचा था
मेहनत तो
कि
बहुत
करना
लोग करते
चाहता
होंगे.
हूँ. You told yourself that it's okay to think in that direction and then you did it. ये जो है ना हाथ पैर ये बहुत capable चीजें हैं. ये जो है जिगर ये बहुत capable चीज है. आपको external किसी मतलब ये जो चीजें हैं ना ये यूनिवर्स को मोल्ड कर देती हैं. If you are determined enough to do it and if you enjoy it enough and you love it enough, you will make it happen. I don't want to say it will happen. You will make it happen.
Good one.
I believe
like that. Tell me about your tour. You're traveling like crazy. It's happening and you're a performer. इसलिए आपने बोला आपकी गाने में भी वो ऐसे दिख रहा है कि movement
मुझे
हो रहा है.
बैठ के गाना बिल्कुल नहीं आता.
You can hear the movement. That's what I'm saying. So
so we are doing a US tour right now. Vishal and Shekhar. It's called the Super Hit Tour because हम modest लोग हैं.
but आपके है सारे गाने सबको पता है तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
सुपर हिट बट नहीं गाने तो सुपर हिट हैं. टूर भी सुपर हिट होगा. वी आर डूइंग 14 shows across the US in 1 month.
Wow.
Which is hectic because Friday, Saturday, Sunday we're in 3 different cities every week. तो पहले ही मैं सारे संडे वालों को बोलना चाहता हूँ जिस भी शहर में आप हो अगर हम गलत नाम बोल दें तो माफ कर दीजिएगा because we won't know where we are by that time. It's hard work but it's a lot of fun. We've done मतलब 6 शो वाले टूर किए हैं हमने. इनफैक्ट लास्ट ईयर we did 6 or 7 shows.
But this is the maximum you've done then.
This is the most intense US tour we've done. Also the biggest. The venues are big.
What are the audience sizes? On this one?
I think we'll average about 7,000-8,000 per venue. But there are some bigger ones.
Bigger ones.
And there are of course जहाँ पे शहर छोटे तो वहाँ पे छोटे venues होंगे. But what we're doing with the production is bigger than ever. What we're doing with the band and the sound and the songs, it's going to be a longer show than ever. Songs that हम generally perform नहीं करते. So Vishal and Shekhar, fortunately, we've only done 75 films. But on 75 films में से we have a vast bank of material.
Yeah.
And a lot of them, like the emotional songs, we have never really performed on stage. तो इस बार कुछ वैसे वाला भी करेंगे, which have never been seen before. बहुत सारे हैं. I mean, say for example the Om Shanti Om soundtrack. हम stage पे एक ही गाना करते हैं. Generally हम एक या maximum 2 गाने करते हैं. But उस soundtrack के सारे गाने explorable हैं.
Right.
We're still figuring out what we're going to do.
अभी कौन मुझे बोल रहा है? कौस्तु इससे मेरे को बोला था. कौन सा गाना बोला था जो हम गा रहे थे अभी?
बिन तेरे.
Yeah. So those, because I feel like
बिन तेरे के भी 2 वर्जन है. एक ओरिजिनल वर्जन है और एक शेखर का रिप्रीज वर्जन है. तो वो we haven't decided which one to do yet. But we'll definitely, maybe we can do a combination of both. ऐसा कुछ करेंगे. It'll be, we're basically doing a whole new set of songs that people have loved that have not got the attention from us that they deserve
That
on
is
stage.
वही, because even when you Google your
Even
songs,
for example, पठान में से हम झूमे जो पठान
वही,
करते हैं, पर बेशरम रंग हम नहीं करते.
correct.
अब बेशरम रंग का मेल वर्जन करेंगे.
Oh,
For example, I mean, it'll
बेशरम
be a
रंग
lot
is-
of fun.
I like बेशरम रंग better anyway. Though when you Google, आपके सिर्फ ऐसे डांस वाले songs आते हैं पहले, ये नहीं आता है. बिन तेरे वाला
It's not
नहीं
just
आता है.
बिन तेरे, it's
और
दिल
भी
दिया
हैं बहुत.
गल्ला, it's मैं अगर कहूँ,
वो नहीं आते, वो
तुझे
पहले top
भुला
आते.
दिया. So many songs that people have attached their love to. आसपास खुदा. There's like Hairat. We've never done Hairat, imagine, on
that's
stage.
beautiful.
Once
So you will
we
be doing
performed
this
it.
at the
I don't
US
know.
store?
I don't know. अभी तक मरम्मत चल रही है सेट की.
पता नहीं हमको. एक स्लो वाला भी गाना गाओ ना आप सब. मैं I always hear you singing these songs.
एक क्यों, मैं तो बहुत सारे स्लो गाऊंगा. अच्छा, you mean here?
अभी.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Anyone? or his. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I
been-
knew it. Give me a moment, let me find the right key because it's a tough part to sing. अजनबी से हुए हैं क्यों पल सारे कि नजर से नजर ये मिलाते ही नहीं. एक घनी तन्हाई छा रही है, मंजिले रास्तों में ही गुम होने लगी. हो गई अनसुनी हर दुआ अब मेरी, रह गई अनकही बिन तेरे. Bin Tere. An audience has to sing along, bro. I'm not doing it alone.
बिन तेरे.
Okay, maybe not. Maybe.
एकदम मैं 2 सेकंड आप रुकते, I would have gotten into it. मेरी
That's
की सही नहीं थी विशाल. But ठीक.
You're right. It wasn't the right thing.
Okay, I forgot what we were talking about. Mean चीजें आपने मुझे बोली.
Sorry, yeah.
नहीं. हाँ, so on the show. But tell me what's your favorite song to open with though? Just say up to
We always open.
mood set हो
So
रहा है.
I'll tell you. Shekhar and I made we made a pact. Okay, we were like, जहाँ लोगों के शो खत्म होते हैं ना, हमारा वहाँ शुरू होना चाहिए. Seriously.
हाँ.
So we start with Diwangi, which is a finale song for most people.
Okay.
हर
so
TV show
उल्टा.
में finale में होता है. हर even you know it's basically a big song.
Yeah.
That's where we start.
That's
And वहाँ से हम
nice.
ऊपर जाते हैं.
That is nice. नहीं तो लोग हमेशा एंड तक ना मैं थक जाती हूँ वो एक गाना सुनने के लिए
नहीं,
at concerts.
हमारे शो में एंड तक आपको अपने जूते उतार के बैठ जाना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज वी डोंट लेट यू यू डोंट गेट अ ब्रेक. जितना एनर्जी हमारी है उतना ही मेहनत आपको करना पड़ेगा.
I heard तन्मय भट्ट and समय रैना बैठ के they said exactly that कि 3 घंटे कट. It's like hit after hit. It's like ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं है जो नहीं पता है. सब गाने हमको पता है.
Even when we do, for example, slow songs, तो आपको अपने हाथ ऊपर करके ना ऐसा मतलब ऐसा हल्के से नहीं होता हमारे में. The entire crowd, you have to see one of these shows.
आएंगे हम.
जब तक आप विशाल एंड शेखर के शो में गए नहीं हो तब तक आप सोच नहीं सकते कि क्या है ये. बिकॉज यू फील लाइक हाँ कंपोजर है क्या, बट वी बर्न द प्लेस डाउन.
I'm sure. इंडिया टूर कब है आपका? US का प्लान
अब आई थिंक अक्टूबर नवंबर में टूर तो नहीं, वील डू 3-4 big shows like we did last year. Yeah.
We'll be there. You're a very opinionated person, which we know and we have also experienced.
I don't know if I'm opinionated.
Opinionated मतलब आप बोल देते हो जो है. A lot of people, just yesterday I was discussing with somebody. They said actors आजकल are the worst to interview. I said क्यों? They said because इतना PR है, उनको इतना train करते कि वो कुछ बोलते ही नहीं है.
बेचारे
They're
सबकी
all
फटी
there.
पड़ी.
नहीं, I was seeing your story also. आपने कुछ लिखा था एंटी गवर्नमेंट सेंटिमेंट में भी. आज मॉर्निंग ही आई वाज रीडिंग.
See, it's not anti-government. It's pro-student. It's look at the end of the day, एक तो गवर्नमेंट है वो हमारे लिए काम करती है. कभी ना कभी इस गवर्नमेंट को एहसास दिलाना होगा वो सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में पब्लिक की सेवा करना उनका फर्ज है. सिर्फ बोलना कि हम सेवा करने नहीं, एक्चुअली सेवा करना पड़ेगा. पब्लिक का फायदा होना चाहिए. तो जहाँ पे नुकसान हो रहा है पब्लिक का, खुल्लम खुल्ला सामने आके नुकसान हो रहा है, तो अगर गवर्नमेंट हमारे लिए नहीं खड़ी रहेगी तो कौन रहेगी? तो चाहे वो नीट पेपर्स के चक्कर में हो, द गवर्नमेंट मस्ट एक्सेप्ट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि ये फेलिंग है गवर्नमेंट की. सॉरी बोलो उन बच्चों को, 17 लोगों ने सुसाइड कमिट की है. उन पेरेंट्स ने अपनी मेहनत से ये पूरा अरेंजमेंट किया है कि उनके बच्चे एग्जाम दे सके, उनकी फ्यूचर बन सके. आप अगर उनके लिए नहीं खड़े रहोगे तो गवर्नमेंट किस बात की है?
Yeah.
एक. दूसरी बात, आई थिंक जिसके बारे में मैं कल बोल रहा था, वो जो बेचारे हमारे सेलर्स मारे गए, नोबडी सेइंग एनीथिंग.
Yeah.
ये क्या चक्कर है? मतलब एक मिसाइल स्ट्राइक में इंडियन सेलर्स मारे जाते हैं और कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? आई मीन दैट्स रॉन्ग.
That's wrong.
वी ओ इट टू देयर फैमिलीज. दे आर देयर बिकॉज मतलब वो जो ऑयल या गैस या वगैरह जो भी ट्रांसपोर्ट कर
It's
रहे
obviously
थे,
for
we need
us,
it.
yeah.
So they are there for us. ऐसा ठीक है, सोल्जर नहीं है तो इसका मतलब कि मतलब they
Life
irrelevant.
important नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं है. I mean, so things hurt my feelings. I'm Cancerian, na? I'm sensitive.
Yeah, see? Hence proven.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in trouble for this.
A little bit maybe. No, but you're right. You know, the NEET thing, in fact,
It's
we
not
were...
just NEET, by the way. It's NEET, SSC, GCSE,
Sare.
you name it.
Yeah, and I was seeing the reels of the very human rights को cross करते हुए जो checking चल रही थी, उसके बावजूद
मतलब
अगर ये
button
हुआ
निकाल रहे थे कपड़ों से,
button they've
क्या-
put ये so Inayat, who we were talking about, the girl you also know,
musician,
Inayat, she gave her NEET exams and she was at the shoot when she found out about the paper leak. She was in tears.
Of course.
We were just finishing the shoot. She's like, but I worked so hard. But
People
it
have
gives me
given up
goosebumps.
so much.
She was in shock. I was like, I'm so sorry. And then she still went on to finish the shoot. But she was very, very troubled, बेचारी कि अब फिर से मैं कैसे करूँगी? इतने अच्छे से दिया था. How do I redo this again, right? Anyway.
I mean, for whatever it's worth, look, I'm done being part of revolutions. ठीक है? But as a citizen, I feel that my government should take responsibility, should apologize to the families, should apologize to the students. I honestly, in more decent times, the education minister should resign. Straight up.
Fair thing.
It's the only. आप नहीं कर सकते. आपकी फेलिंग है ये. आपको मंजूर करना होगा.
Yeah, you saw in the light of all this, the Cockroach Janta Party, obviously, we
That,
saw
of course,
the rise
yeah.
of it very quickly. Like it started, the morning I saw it was 3.5 million. By evening it was 11.5. By midnight it was 20.
Every time,
And
like,
every time I reload, I'm like,
Every
what's
time I was
happening?
saying to someone, have you seen? They've got like 12 million followers. Oh,
Yeah.
no, it's 15 now. Oh,
yeah.
now it's like
yeah, it
crazy,
kept growing.
crazy.
It was quite. I know. I was telling
But-
my social media team, I said, "Seekho,
मगर मैं
देखो."
उनके लिए भी एक नसीहत है मेरे पास. Social media following does not translate to real life. आपके लोग जो जंतर मंतर में आए थे, that translates to real life. Social media के numbers ना, वो आया राम गया राम है. It doesn't. That means nothing in the real
Fair
world.
enough.
Yeah.
But that brings me to an important point. You have 3.5 million on your Instagram. आपके पास है. So obviously you are also playing the Instagram game to an extent.
What do you mean playing the game?
मतलब थोड़ा तो मतलब होना
मैं
you know
post
कि it's
करता हूँ,
important.
No,
you know
it's
कि
not
करना
important to me
है.
at all.
नहीं आपके लिए important.
मतलब मैं किस लिए important?
To just be like there, be out there, be accessible, be seen.
I don't know what to say. I existed before Instagram. I will exist after
Later
Instagram.
also. Do you get trolled? Do you get horrible DMs or something on social?
So I have an amazing setting on Instagram. Everyone does. The reason I'm on Instagram and I'm not on, for example, क्या नाम है दूसरे वाले का? X.
X.
Because they have क्या बोलते हैं वो hidden words.
Right.
तो ये word अगर कोई कहता है comment में
नहीं
तो वो
आता है.
comment कर ही नहीं पाता.
Correct.
तो मैं मेरे हिडन वर्ड्स का लिस्ट बहुत लंबा है और उन हिडन वर्ड्स के अलावा जो ट्रोल करने वाले हैं उनकी भाषा है ही नहीं. उनके पास वो ही वर्ड्स हैं.
Correct.
तो वो सारे वर्ड्स मिट जाते हैं, दिखाई नहीं देते. तो दे आर मोस्ट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद मी. मतलब कमेंट्स ऑन करने ऑन है, सिर्फ आपकी भाषा वहां तक नहीं
भाषा
पहुंच रही है.
सही
मैं क्या
नहीं
करूं? आप अपनी भाषा ठीक करो, आ जाओ.
Have you ever been criticized in person और किसी ने आपको कुछ बोला है? How do you react to good? तो सब बोलते हैं, obviously शक्ल पे तो सभी अच्छा बोलते हैं, but जो बुरा बोलते हैं उसको कैसे टैकल करते
तो किसी ने कभी नहीं बोला. मुझे बेहद प्यार मिलता है. I have never received anything but love and I have never given anything but love. I don't, as you can see, I have no managers, I have no bodyguards.
Yes, I wanted to talk
I go
about that.
everywhere.
You're the only celebrity who's walked into our
Yes, sir, I'm
studio.
not a celebrity.
But you are.
I'm a
you-
musician.
आपको ठीक है, but आप जैसे जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज या म्यूजिशियन जो भी बोलो, whoever walks into this office, we have a minimum of a +3, +4, in some cases +7, +8 entourage is normal that walks into the office with people. And that's the first question I've asked you. I said, कौन है आपके साथ? आप अकेले ऐसे आ गए हो? Like, what's happening? Don't you get like
I get
mobbed?
nothing. No, I get love. Yesterday I was in IKEA, इधर
हमारे बगल में.
हाँ. तो पार्किंग लॉट से दुकान तक मुझे 25 लोग मिले, सबने फोटोज ली, किसी ने एक ने बोला मैं गाता हूँ, मैं बोला गाइए, उसने गाया और मैं फिर दुकान के अंदर चले गए.
आपने बुरा बोला ना उसको कुछ?
नहीं, he was actually pretty, मतलब कच्चा था, बुरा नहीं था, कच्चा था. There's a fundamental, he's never learned. He was a young kid and he was working as a delivery boy. Fuck, there's so much talent, it breaks my heart.
Yeah.
कैसे, how do I would love to make a space for all of them because he's a deserving kid.
Right.
I told him, I said, please send me your material on Instagram. I'll give you whatever tips I can.
So nice.
मैं Instagram पे बहुत सारे डेमोस सुनता हूँ, बहुत, मतलब जो भी डेमो आती है मेरे पास सुनता तो हूँ. I may not respond to all of them, but I listen to all of them given time. And if I see a new musician whose work I like, I make sure to comment. I make sure to tell them that they have something special and that they should treasure it.
Right.
I don't know why. I feel like it's how do you put it? Like when someone has talent, right? And it's such a magical thing. It's such a beautiful, like transcendental thing. You know, मैं metaphysical, spiritual वगैरह में.
But ये है transcendental.
Music है.
Because you said कच्चा सिंगर, उससे मुझे याद आया कि हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे that you're not a trained singer as such.
मैं भी कच्चा ही सिंगर.
मैं वो मतलब नहीं.
But you're absolutely right. Ask any of the composers I've worked with. Any of the composers who have recorded me, all of them will tell you कच्चा है लेकिन बात है इसमें.
बात है.
ये this is my qualification. क्या है नहीं मालूम, है कुछ है.
X factor. है कुछ तो. It's how you sing. इससे मुझे याद है बहुत टाइम से आपने गाया नहीं है.
अभी तो गाया मैंने.
नहीं, हो गया टाइम.
अच्छा.
गा के. और मुझे पता भी है क्या गाना है आपने.
Please.
Because मदारी 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 मदारी.
Let me tell you the story of Madari, the untold story of Madari. So Madari is a song Clinton Cerejo ने बनाया.
Yes.
Clinton is a very good friend from like many years before. मतलब हम दोनों म्यूजिक बिजनेस में करीबन मतलब एक साल इधर उधर हमने शुरुआत की होगी. ठीक है. Mehnaz, you remember Mehnaz, the pop star Mehnaz Hussain, early 90s की pop star थी वो. She had introduced us. And she had said to me, she had told me about Clinton. He's a very talented guy. You must work together. And we've been friends since then. So, you know, as we started finding our feet, Clinton one day came to me and said, "ये गाना है, मैं Coke Studio कर रहा हूँ. Will you sing for me?" I said, "Sure, I would." Then he sent me the song, and I said, I heard the song. Sent it to me on CD. I played it in my car. I heard the song and मैंने बोला यार ये गाना मुझे नहीं गाना चाहिए. In every way, I'm wrong for this song. एक तो मेरी बिलीफ सिस्टम अलग है, दूसरी ये स्टाइल मेरा है ही नहीं
है. यस.
तो मैं बर्बाद कर दूंगा गाने को. अच्छा खासा गाना है, बर्बाद हो जाएगा. सो आई वेंट टू क्लिंटन एंड आई सेड, ब्रो, यू नीड टू गेट समवन फ्रॉम दिस जॉनर. और उसने उस सीडी पे उसके बाकी के गाने जो थे कोक स्टूडियो के लिए जो प्लान किए थे उसमें एक साथी सलाम था गाना. आई सेड ये वाला मुझसे गवा दे. आई विल बर्न दिस सॉन्ग डाउन. दिस इज मतलब आई वांट टू सिंग दिस सॉन्ग. He said, no. Trust me. He said, trust me, you need to sing this song. So, उन दिनों में कोक स्टूडियो असली होता था in terms of, हाँ अभी तो नहीं है ना, अब तो स्टूडियो में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, म्यूजिक वीडियो.
That's true. एकदम लाइव था वो.
ठीक है, अभी भी ऐसा, they are making new music. I appreciate that. There's nothing wrong. क्या है, स्टूडियो में तो हम सारे गाने रिकॉर्ड करते हैं.
But वो actually live होता था ना.
हाँ वो live, but it was not live in the sense that it was live that you get to perform the song thrice.
Okay.
वो 3 परफॉर्मेंसेस में से वो जो भी ऑडियो टेक्स, विजुअल टेक्स जो भी काट कूट के they used to make a final performance. The band and you were recorded there.
Correct.
That was pretty much it. So उस दिन जब मैं गया था, I went to say please यार मुझसे नहीं होगा. I was listening to the song in my car and I was like, I can't, man, I'm not feeling it at all. I don't want to. And so he was like, listen, you're here, man, just do it. Yeah. So I sat outside on a bench. फिल्म सिटी में था, एक बेंच थी स्टूडियो के बाहर, मैं उस पर बैठा लिरिक्स के साथ में. मैंने आधा घंटा लिरिक्स रटने की कोशिश की. नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. इट्स फॉर मी learning lyrics is possible only with a song. Like learning new lyrics, like a new tune and lyrics together. Lyrics याद नहीं रहते मुझे without a tune. तो इवेंचुअली जितना हो सका मैंने याद किया और अंदर गया एंड ही वाज नॉट लेटिंग मी गो. सो इफ यू सी द वीडियो, दिस इज, चेक दिस, ओके, आई एम वेयरिंग अ येलो डैफी डक टी शर्ट एंड शॉर्ट्स, हवलदार के शॉर्ट्स. मैं ना बोलने गया था मैं कि मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे नहीं करना है. सो आई वॉर द, मतलब म्यूजिक वीडियो के कपड़े नहीं हैं, आई एम ड्रेस्ड लाइक एन इडियट इन दैट एंड ही सेड मैन जस्ट डू इट, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड आई मेस्ड अप द फर्स्ट 2 टेक्स.
थर्ड वाला
3 टेक में से 2 टेक मैंने सेकंड अंतरा के लिरिक्स रॉन्ग गाए थे. सेकंड अंतरा का तेरी रूखी सूखी सूखी रूखी खा के देखा हर एक निवाला अमृत लागे, तेरे रहमो करम से रहमो करम से हर फूटी किस्मत उठ के भागे, जितना भर दे खिलौने में चाबी उतनी है उसकी रफ्तार, तू चलाता है जीवन का मेला, तू ही भरे नदिया में धार, मधारी मधारी मधारी. आई वॉज अनेबल टू गेट. 2 बार मैंने फ्लब किया जैसे मैंने अभी फ्लब किया. एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. आई मेस्ड इट अप ट्वाइस एंड थर्ड टाइम आई वाज लाइक यार हो जाए तो हो जाए, नहीं तो मेरे से नहीं होगा ये. लिटरली इट वाज दैट. And somehow I managed to get through it on the 3rd time. And boom, there we are. That's what you hear.
But ये same ही नहीं होता when you singing for stars also. तो ये नहीं आता आपके पास इसके शाहरुख जैसे, इसके जैसे गाओ, इसके जैसे लगो, इसके कुछ ऐसे आता होगा brief की you can't be you, you have to be
Musically,
them.
I'm sorry, but musically, stars are the least relevant people. वो पहले था रफ़ी साहब used to sing differently for जितेंद्र जी and differently for शम्मी कपूर साहब or whatever it is. अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You sing for yourself, you sing for the song.
The song is important.
The composer is important. I will say this till I die. Composer and lyricist are the most important part of the song.
Yeah.
Everyone else is secondary, including the singer. Public जब तक समझे नहीं तब तक हम बोलते रहेंगे. Because composer के दिल से आई है ये बात, lyricist के दिल से आई है ये बात.
True.
After them, the director of the film should get credit, or the writer of the film who's created that situation should get credit for a film song. A singer is, and I will say this despite being a singer, is an instrument that the composer chooses. They can choose any of the instruments available to them. In a film, the singer is chosen by the composer to suit their vision. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. Or no disrespect to the singers, there's a great deal of talent and a great deal that a singer can add. Someone like Sonu or Sukhwinder or Shreya or Sunidhi can change the face of the song by being in it.
Yeah.
But first the song has to be created. Na? You know what I'm saying?
Correct.
So creation ke waqt, in that moment of light in the room, only the composer and the lyricist are there. You know? जब suddenly ऐसा लगता है कि अब पूरी दुनिया हल्की हो गई because of this song. You feel that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then it goes on to become whatever it becomes.
Fair. That's a fair point.
Yeah.
Tell me, besides Vishal Shekhar, आप तो obviously हो, आपके who are the other people that you really appreciate or like or love or?
I'm glad this is the unrushed podcast because it's a long look. First of all, music करने वाले जो लोग होते हैं, उन सब में अलग ही कुछ होता है. You know what I'm saying? So my list is very long. As I told you, it's a list of influences and teachers. It's not. मैंने सिर्फ कभी सुना नहीं, मैंने सबसे सीखा है. They are my only source of knowledge. But in terms of contemporaries, I mean Shankar Ehsaan and Loy, Salim Sulaiman, Pritam, Amit Trivedi, all of them.
I love Amit Trivedi.
They're all, I mean, and of course, above all of it, I mean, for whatever it's worth, is the guy who started the whole, I guess you could say it was the renaissance of Hindi film music, was A.R. Rahman.
100% A.R. Rahman.
So for me, these are all teachers that I've had the opportunity to sit with Salim Sulaiman, interact and learn from. And I do on a regular basis.
Right.
Yeah.
What did you learn from A.R. Rahman? I'm such a fan.
What I should learn from A.R. Rahman is how to be quiet. I really should. Because he's not. He's an absolute masti khor.
Yeah,
and a
he
fun
doesn't
guy.
come
Yeah, he's
across as that at all.
exactly,
दूर से.
exactly, because he doesn't. That is who he is, and it's for him.
He does that. He doesn't want to share.
The public gets his music. You know,
And what-
it's a beautiful thing. I wish I could be
Beautiful
like
music.
that.
Right. Anybody else who's really kind of influenced you in
They
what
all
way?
have.
In what way specifically?
नहीं ऐसा मतलब people have taught me a million things. Yeah? Salim, for example, has taught me how I've never met a more passionate musician than Salim
Yeah.
from Salim and Sulaiman. मतलब बंदा सोता नहीं है, जागता नहीं है, म्यूजिक बनाता है all day long, every day.
Wow.
He's always on it,
Yeah.
always in it. And I'll say this again, it's something that I will, if there's anyone who can write a song of philosophy or devotion or depth, like, of course, Rahman is up there, Shankar is up there, Salim is right up there with them. I will say this over and over again. Just magical. Like, you just have to hear a song like Ore Pia.
Oh yeah.
And I
Beautiful
don't
song.
know anyone else who could compose that.
Yeah.
Only Salim. It could have only come from Salim.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful song.
So that complete, whatever he may seem like, he seems like a cool urban guy.
Yeah, he looks like a
But
cool dude. Yeah.
भाई का दिल अलग ही है. And I have seen him be kind to musicians. That I learned a lot from him, from Salim. We did a TV show together years ago, and the way he was with all of those kids, he made sure that that they did the right take, that they that they were shown in the best possible light, because he's like this is. It takes a lot for you to be so concerned that you take your own time for other people's
Yeah.
benefit.
Yes.
There's nothing in it for him, but he was doing it because it's joyful to see a musician grow and flourish.
Yeah, and it's so important. I think it comes from a few things. It comes from being secure. It comes from being happy in who you are.
True.
That's the only time you can fill another's cup, right? If your cup is full.
Yep. So true. So well said.
Yeah.
Yep.
So who are some of the other people who you think have been able to really make a mark and change the industry? Like A.R. Rahman has changed music or how we listen to music.
Well, no,
the kind of
look,
songs he's
A.R.
given
Rahman
us.
changed but all of these people who are named, all of us have changed the industry.
Yeah.
We all have done different things, and all like Dil Chahta Hai, you can't deny it was a landmark album.
It was
Landmark.
beautiful in every way.
Yeah.
Styling, the film, the story, everything, and
What-
then the music
I
was
think
up
what
there.
this renaissance, composer renaissance really achieved is it brought Hindi film music into modernity without losing its soul, which is a thing people say, but very few people actually manage to pull off. I think
off,
we
yeah.
all manage to pull that off every now and then.
Yeah.
The problem now is that people have stopped treating music as a storytelling tool in the film business, and they've started treating it as a promotional tool.
Yeah.
And that is the destruction of the film music industry. That's why music has, because आपका ad किसी को नहीं सुनना, घर ले जाके आपका ad नहीं
Ad
सुनना,
नहीं सुनना है. Correct.
हमको गाना सुनाओ
True.
जिसमें कहानी है, इमोशन है, जिसमें सच्चाई है, जिसमें I can relive that story that I felt in the theater. Then it has meaning.
Yeah.
But the film industry, unfortunately, मैंने जैसे बोला ना, धंधा है. In the shorts I was saying, it's a business.
Yeah.
Money is everything. Here.
It's everything.
Success is everything here. Whatever anyone says, यहाँ पे discrimination नहीं है. यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं? Neither your religion matters, nor does your politics matter, nor does the only thing that matters here is success. आप succeed कर जाओ, everyone will accept you.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter where you're from, who your family is, nothing. You keep failing, you
कोई
will,
नहीं है तुम्हारा,
मतलब हाँ,
obviously.
मतलब आपके साथ में कोई चलने को तैयार नहीं. You have to succeed. The only thing that matters in this business is success.
Success.
And that's the truest nature of, I guess, capitalism, right, is evident in the film business.
Right.
Baki, everyone in the film business knows, whether they admit it or not. उनको पता है कि बाकी सब बकवास है.
नहीं, it's true. Just yesterday, a friend of mine and I, we were discussing कि अभी movies का अभी तो ads बन रहे हैं. ऐसे लग रहा है it's an advertisement of something. Like you can see the person also being focused on how they are looking and the style. It's just very stylized. It's
ये
very
तो टॉम क्रूज भी
fancy.
करता है यार.
हाँ करता है, ऐसे नहीं करते, बट आई फील अभी बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं बिकॉज द अदर डे आई वॉज वॉचिंग, आई नो इट्स नो कंपैरिजन ओनली, बट द अदर डे आई वॉज वॉचिंग चांदनी And I was watching, मेरे हाथों में 9 चूड़ियाँ हैं. Then I was watching Sridevi and I was like, ooh, I can't think of one person who can do this. I can't. And prove me wrong.
I don't know about like, okay, again, like I said, for me the actor is the last
Person.
element
Yes,
of a song.
Of course.
It's the final ingredient before the public consumes the song. But the people behind that song, first of all, Yash Chopra sahab.
Yeah.
I had the opportunity. I can tell the most beautiful story about Yash ji. I think I must tell it. I've never told it. I think I must.
Please do.
There was in 2010-11 a battle in the film industry. सब कुछ बिखर गया था. लोग अलग अलग हो गए थे. There were sides being taken. It was composers and lyricists versus producers. And the battle was about music royalties. Right? Javed Akhtar Saab put his career on the line and himself on the line to make this happen for musicians and lyricists, and we are eternally grateful. But in the process of that, there were several meetings and push-pulls and so much ऐसा मार-तोड़ was going on, and it felt like कुछ देर के लिए I think strike भी हुई थी. मुझे याद नहीं clearly, but I think strike भी हुई थी. But एक ऐसा वक्त आया जहाँ पे हम सब टेबल पे बैठे थे. Kapil Sibal ji was the HRD minister at the time. He chaired the meeting. He said, let's bring this business together. On one side of the table were all the producers, all the big producers, from Yash ji to Mukesh Bhatt Saab to the T-Series guys to the South guys, the Ramoji Rao guys. Everyone was there on one side. Amir was there as a producer as well. On this side was Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma and Javed Saab. There was Shankar Ehsaan Loy. There was us. There was everyone.
What a room to be
Ram
in.
Sampath. It was an incredible room to be in. Truly incredible. और मतलब लड़ाई झगड़े पे बात हो रही थी. मतलब धीमे वॉल्यूम पे बात नहीं हो रही थी. There were some people in the room who were speaking very loudly and very making their point very forcefully, and it was argumentative. It wasn't a ऐसा नहीं कि दोस्ती यारी में हम लोग सब बैठे हैं. हालांकि सब दोस्त हैं, सब यार हैं. Everyone has love and respect for each other. But discussion जो चल रही थी वो animated थी and loud थी. And it didn't look like we're going to arrive at anything. Then we broke for lunch. अब मैं composer side पे बैठा हूँ. पंडित जी, अपना शिव कुमार शर्मा जी, जावेद साहब, me, Ehsaan, Ram. It was like that. Okay. So we were antagonists basically, right?
Correct.
We were against each other in that meeting. Lunch break में हम लोग बाहर बुफे लगी हुई है. ठीक है, तो हम सब खाना ले रहे हैं. यश जी, यश चोपड़ा साहब, who I've met, I've done by this time मैंने 2-3 फिल्में यशराज की थी. विशाल एंड शेखर had done 2 or 3 यशराज films. तो यश जी was coming straight for me. तो मुझे लगा अब वो सुना देंगे मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो. He came to me with absolute focus and he said, बेटे वेजिटेरियन हो ना? I said जी. He said वो पनीर ट्राई करना, बहुत अच्छी बनी. Yash ji was a guy who had pure love and passion for cinema, for film, for everything.
Yeah.
It was not, he was not, I think he was a little annoyed कि यार इतने business की बात क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Perhaps that may have been his outlook. He was not about that at all. He was an artist. पहले तो खाना ट्राई करो यार, बहुत अच्छा. You know what I'm saying? So that's when I realized कि ये इंसान क्या है. मतलब ये जो बातें हो रही हैं, ये जो क्या बोलते हैं मर्सनरी बातें, ये आर्ट से बहुत नीचे वाली बात है. आप म्यूजिक बनाते हो, हम फिल्में बनाते हैं, बात करते हैं, लेट्स ईट सम फूड, लेट्स हैव अ गुड टाइम. दैट्स हु ही वाज. दैट्स व्हाई चांदनी इज स्पेशल. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल हिज फिल्म्स आर स्पेशल. It's the person who's making it, the artist holding the paintbrush is what is irreplaceable.
True. Yes. Really, really beautiful. Because you said all this, it gave me a thought कि डर लगता है कोई रात बैठे हुए, of course you're on a roll, you're on a trajectory, not right now, but फिर भी डर नहीं लगता, like how do I keep holding on to this success? What next क्या करूँ? ये नहीं किया मैंने तो ये मुझसे छिन जाएगा. ऐसे डर तो लगता होगा कि नहीं लगता?
It's so I will tell you how I started making music for films. I was in a band called Pentagram.
Yes.
As you know. We needed to buy some gear. 19,000 रुपए का सामान खरीदना था बैंड के लिए. Right?
उस टाइम पे पैसे नहीं थे, बड़ा अमाउंट.
नहीं, पैसे अरेंज भी हो जाते, बट वो ऐसा था कि घर से पैसे नहीं लेने. तो खुद कुछ करके पैसा. तो also concurrently I was madly in love. तो मैंने वो पहली बार गाना गिटार पे लिखा था एज अ थिंग. Shiraz, the drummer of Pentagram, said, "यार राज कौशल से मिल रही, he's making a film. It's all about new people. This is a good song. He'll like it. If he likes it, he'll put it in the film. You know, you never know." So I said, "Cool, मिल लेता हूँ." मैं गया राज और मंदिरा से मिला, को गाना सुनाया, उनको पसंद आया, उन्होंने बोला और है, मैं बोला बना लूँगा. आइडिया बीइंग 19,000 रुपए जमा करने.
हाँ.
तो अब जब शुरुआत 19,000 रुपए से हुई है तो और क्या डर लगे, वो हो गया वो काम. वो ले लिया था, मेरा सक्सेस वहीं पे हो गया था. यू नो आई एम सेइंग. सो आई एम जस्ट अ रॉक एंड रोलर. यू
Doesn't matter. Keep rocking.
I'm not. This was never my game. This was never my dream. I will never be a Bollywood person. I have no. मतलब वो जो parties होती है मैं उनमें जाता नहीं हूँ. मेरे कुछ जो दोस्त हैं, they are my friends because we share an intellectual connection. It's not because how do you put it?
इससे फायदा है.
PR करेंगे.
Networking करनी है.
मेरा scene है ही नहीं. So I don't really. I mean, it's not that I don't care. I'm very grateful for everything I've been given.
Right.
But मतलब कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लेंगे.
Yeah, you're not holding it like मुट्ठी भर के sand.
मतलब अगर ऐसी नौबत आई कि 19,000 रुपए कमाने पड़ गए तो कर लेंगे कुछ ना.
कर लेंगे.
We've also Pentagram has also been the backing, मतलब extras in an ad to get more gear.
Yeah.
तो you do what you gotta do. मेरा कोई ऐसा नहीं है. I'm okay.
कुछ छोटा बड़ा है ही नहीं, तो कर सकते हो.
नहीं, मैं छोटा हूँ. सब कुछ बड़ा है. Everything is big. I'm not kidding. I'm very serious. I have no. I was telling you, right? Humility is a large part of my thought process.
Yeah.
मतलब अगर आप अपने आप को जिस दिन आप सोचने लगे कि मुझे आता है,
that's the end of your life. That's the end. That's big of you to say. I will just leave with
It's also true.
I believe you.
मतलब मुझे actually कुछ नहीं. Please note.
Yeah, I believe you. Just leave me with your ultimate love song. Ultimate.
I don't have an ultimate love song.
It can be yours. It can be somebody else's. I don't care.
I don't have an ultimate love song.
कोई तो होगा. और एक जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
मेरा क्या है? Every song is a love song. Every single song is a love song.
Yeah.
I don't know any song that's born out of non-love. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
The love of my life is music. Truly, I mean this from the depths of my heart. मैं music कभी-कभी मैं music के बारे में सोच के रो देता हूँ. Not even कि ऐसा बहुत खूबसूरत गाना सुना, but just the effect that music has on me. It's happening right now. Like I don't know how to. It fills me in a like. I become part of the universe, so to speak. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like मतलब मैं हूँ ही नहीं उसमें. That's what music is to me. So I don't know any song that isn't a love song. Every song is a love song for me. अगर अच्छा है तो love song है.
Fair enough. So. Hope that you keep doing this for years and years to come. Keep having that effect on people and keep making great music, more collaborations. Good luck with the playlist. I'm really looking forward
I'm really excited.
to new artists and, you know, giving more and more space to wonderful new talent. Thank you so much for being on Andrash.
Thank you.